Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Today also we brought something special for your kids. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet baby sweaters. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also so that you can find all new videos notification. If find it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video. Crocheting baby sweaters offer a variety of benefits both for the creator and the reception. Here are some reasons why crocheting baby sweaters is great choice for you. The first and the main one is custom fit. You can tailor the size of the sweater to fit a baby perfectly, ensuring a comfortable, snug fit. Personalized design. Crocheting allows you to create unique patterns, colors, and details, making the sweater one of a kind. Soft and comfortable. Crochet creates a fabric that is soft and gentle on a baby's sensitive skin, particularly when you use high quality yarn like cotton or bamboo. Warmth. Baby sweaters are an excellent way to keep little ones warm, especially during the cooler months. Bonding experience. Crocheting a sweater for a baby can be a meaningful bonding experience whether you are making it for your own baby or as a gift. Learning opportunity. Crocheting baby sweaters is a great way to learn or enhance your crochet skills, whether you are a beginner or advanced crocheter. Cost effective. Creating a baby sweaters at home can be more affordable than buying one, especially when you shop for yarn in bulk or use leftover from other projects. Eco-friendly. By crocheting your own baby sweaters, you reduce the demand of mass-produced garments, which can be harmful to the environment. Gifting joy. Handmade baby sweaters made a thoughtful and heartwarming gift for baby showers or birthdays, showing love and care in every stitch. Unique gift. A crocheted baby sweater is a standout gift as it's something not everyone will have, making it extra special. Development of crochet skills. Creating baby sweater helps improve your technique and understanding of crochet stitches, patterns, and shaping. Creative outlet. Crocheting allows you to express your creativity through color, textures, and design, providing a satisfying artistic outlet. Lightweight but warm. Crochet fabric is typically lightweight, making it ideal for baby wear, which keeps them warm without being heavy. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Durability. Crocheted fabric can be strong and durable when made with quality yarn, lasting for years or being passed down to other babies. Perfect for varied season. You can make baby sweater appropriate for any season, lightweight for summer or warm for winter. Adjustable design. You can make designs that include button-up closer, zipper, or pullers, allowing versatility in how the sweaters fit and it worn. Comfortable texture. The texture of crocheted fabric is often softer and more flexible than machine knit materials, offering additional comfort. Quick completion. Baby sweaters tend to be relatively quick project because they use smaller amount of yarn and less time compared to adult size sweaters. Keepsakes. The baby sweaters made by hand can be kept as a keepsake, a meaningful item that can be saved for sentimental value. Promotes relaxation. Crochet is a calming and therapeutic hobby that can help reduce stress and improve mental well-being.